Practical export functions in leading media proDigi, Part 1, Media Plan, Order, Adserver Briefing and Production Plan. You have planned a digital campaign down to the last detail. Now it's time to send the data to clients, publishers and creatives. To do this, click on the Export button at the bottom right. A window with all export options opens. At the top, you can specify whether the export should cover the entire campaign or only a certain period. 1. Export Media Plan. To have the client approve the media plan, activate the option Media Plan and then click on Export. An Excel sheet with the entire media plan opens. The layout of the media plan is adapted to your agency's CI according to your wishes. In the first spreadsheet you will find the basic data of the campaign and in the second spreadsheet the media plan in detail. 2. Export Order. To send the orders to the publishers, activate the Order option. Select whether orders are to be generated for all or only certain publishers and whether you want to split the orders by month. You can find out more about the monthly split in this video. Click on Export and as many Excel sheets will open as you have scheduled orders to publishers. 3. Export Adserver Briefing. You can also generate the data required for the Adserver in the Export window. Activate the option Adserver Briefing and select whether you want to export all positions or only those for which adserving is intended. After clicking on Export you will again receive an Excel sheet with all the information for adserving your campaign. 4. Export Production Plan. For the creative department, which then takes care of the implementation of the campaign motifs, you also create the production plan in the Export window by activating the option Production Plan. To shorten work steps, you can also create the media plan and order at the same time and export one or more campaigns at the same time in the same step. To do this, click on the down arrow at the bottom of the window for the option Combine, Export Multiple Campaigns. From the list of all campaigns that then opens, you can select the ones you need for the export. We will show you additional export options for accounting and performance measurement in the next video.